poster, and this is the mug I made. Let's see how Nikhil likes it because I made this for him.
Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Hi, I'm Vrinda.
And I'm Nikhil, and I'm so happy that you guys found us.
So it's been a few years that Nikhil has shifted from Ludhiana to Dharamshala for his startup, and I have joined him recently in December, and I'm also living with him here now.
The peaceful life was calling me, so I took this decision to move to Dharamshala and work from here. And I don't regret this decision at all. It's one of the best decisions I've ever taken in my life.
So today we are going to take you to a small but beautiful day trip to Dharamkot.
It's a very small village just above McLeodganj. Max, I think, a 30-minute drive from Dharamshala.
Yes.
So we'll be taking you along on our day trip to Dharamkot. The plan for today is to explore different cafes, have good food, work for a bit, and then come back to Dharamshala. And let's see how it goes, and hope you enjoy this vlog.
तो हम सुबह सुबह ही धर्मशाला से निकल गए अराउंड 10 AM। हमें बाद में ट्रैफिक ना मिले। सो अगर आप भी इधर आ रहे हो तो वी वुड रिकमेंड कि अराउंड 10 मैक्स 10:30 तक निकल जाना, वरना ऊपर काफ़ी रश हो जाता है। So on the way to Dharamkot, there's this very beautiful cafe called the Other Space Cafe. हम काफ़ी बार यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, and I love the coffee over here. It's very beautiful. It's got an art gallery also and a local store where you can buy indigenous products and everything. And so I'll show you how the cafe looks and then the food as well. So if you're coming here, this cafe I recommend it totally. The name is the Other Space.
So I finally got the menu and I went through it, and I thought I'll order one of the coolers, the Illiterati lemonade. Then I thought I would order one cartado for Nikhil and one mushroom and cheese sandwich again for Nikhil, and one Illiterati crepe. थोड़ी देर के बाद हमने सोचा कि बाहर जाके बैठ जाए, क्योंकि व्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, अच्छी धूप आई हुई थी। तो फिर हम बाहर शिफ्ट हो गए और हमने बाहर बैठ के आराम से खाना खाया अपना।
So now we're going to Dharamkot. Seeing the traffic, मैंने अपनी कार छोड़ दी and we took a cab and this guy is taking us right to Dharamkot and let's see how the journey is. It's quite it's a bouncy road but it's well worth it.
So now we are waiting in traffic. So there's a lot of traffic in McLeodganj because it's the peak season. So I think it's gonna take us half an hour more in the traffic and then half an hour to reach Dharamkot. So yes. So traffic to tha hi, so I thought let's get out of the taxi and do some shopping. So there's this bag which we got from this Akama store in McLeodganj, and I wanted another bag from the same store. They are very cute, very handy, बहुत छोटे से प्यारे से, and like for everyday things it's easier to keep those things. So I just bought the bag from there and again came back to the taxi. सामान लेके वापस भी आ गई हूँ और हमारी कैब अभी तक कहीं मूव नहीं कर रही है और यहाँ निखिल बैठा हुआ है.
फाइनली थोड़ा ट्रैफिक मूव करने के बाद हम मैक्लोडगंज के मेन स्क्वायर पहुँचे, जो कि कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. बट क्योंकि हमारी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन ये नहीं थी तो हम यहाँ से निकल गए और एक छोटे से रास्ते से हमने ऊपर चढ़ना शुरू कर दिया धर्मकोट की तरफ. जो ये रास्ता था सही था, काफ़ी अच्छा था, बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा नैरो था. तो अच्छी बात है मैंने अपनी गाड़ी नहीं लेकर आया और मैं कैब में था. तो धीरे धीरे हम जैसे जैसे ऊपर गए थोड़ी ग्रीनरी बढ़ती गई और पहाड़ और दिखने लग गए. अच्छा था.
So finally we are reaching and we have reached the main square area of Dharamkot where the meditation center is there. It is less crowded and not that lively but very calm.
Finally, after half an hour, I think 45 minutes.
More than that I guess.
So we finally reached Dharamkot. So this is how the starting of Dharamkot looks like. Quite a small village, and we'll just walk along this route and see how it is from inside. Let's go.
वो दूसरा
Order one ice americano, and I will have one bliss ball matcha. Cool.
Okay.
सो अब हम कैफ़े आ चुके हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड बोधी ग्रीन्स. इट्स अ वीगन फ्रेंडली कैफ़े. दे गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ डिशेज विच आर वीगन. एंड अगेन एज यूजुअल आई एम गोइंग फॉर द कॉफ़ी ओवर हियर, बट दिस टाइम द वीगन कॉफ़ी विदाउट मिल्क. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़. So I've ordered iced americano, which is one of my favorite coffees, and along with that I have this Bliss Ball. It's matcha flavor. This is the first time I'll be having it. Let's see how it is. It's very nice and very different. It's nice. Why don't you try it? Oh.
So I ordered a pineapple juice because it's very hot. So it must be good only. But yeah, I'll just try. Yeah, it tastes good. So now we are on our way to Dharamkot Pottery Studio.
So let us tell you something about this plant. Let me show it to you.
This is called Bichu Booty, and it's very famous in Himachal because by any chance अगर आप इसके contact में आते हो तो आपको बहुत itching होती है, and it's like a problematic plant. So whenever you're walking, you need to be careful that you don't come in contact with this, or else you'll have to put a remedy over it. नहीं तो आपको itching होती रहेगी body में, and it's very crazy.
So just a quick tip for everyone: you should work out and probably go to the gym or go for a run. Otherwise you'll end up like that. पीछे रह जाओगे. So after having coffee at Bodhi Greens, which was very nice by the way, like I told you, we're heading to Dharamkot Studio. It's a very famous pottery studio over here. They offer one-day classes, even week-long classes. Brinda अपने birthday पे वहीं पे थी, and she did a class over there.
Yeah. So मैं अपने birthday पे वहीं पे थी, and I did a one-day class. I really like pottery and getting into ceramics or things which are related to mud.
I think monkeys are coming towards us, so we'll continue this later.
Okay, bye. So we have reached Dharamkot Studio.
So on my birthday, I made a cup and a coaster to gift Nikhil, and it's all handmade. There was no machinery used as such. So even when it comes to pottery, there are like two kinds. One is completely you make it from hand, and one is the machinery one. So I like to get my hand dirty with mud. So I preferred the other one. So now I'm just gonna unbox it. So they have kept it since March, and it's June now. So they kept this for a long time, and they thought I will not come and pick it up. So that's why they have packed it. So let's just unpack it and see. Thinking about it, I'm also thinking if I unpack it, I'll have to pack it again to take it back to our place. But I guess it's okay. It's packed very well. Okay. Very close. Okay, so Nikhil already unpacked. So one of this was the coaster. It's in like in blue, and then there are like small hard dots on it. So this is something that I created that time. And this is the mug. So it was my first attempt, and this is the very first pottery I have ever made. So I don't know how beautiful it looks to you, but yeah, this is the coaster and this is the mug I made. Let's see how Nikhil likes it, because I made this for him. So
It's actually very nice. I think I'll start having my coffee in this cup from now on.
It was now time for us to go to our next stop, which was the Three Tree Cafe.
there were pine trees lined on both sides of the path, and as I looked down, I could see the beautiful valley with small houses, and it looked so scenic. So now we are heading to one of my favorite cafes in Dharamkot. It's a South Indian cafe. It's called the Three Tree. As the name suggests, it's between three trees, and I just love their food. It's one of the best South Indian food I ever had. So I would like to take you guys there, and I hope you enjoy it. Very steep road, but it's Uttarai, so Uttarai always seems good to me, then Chadhai. So that's why we have taken the upper road to go down. So mostly all the hostels are in the upper Dharamkot, and this one is the Odd Life hostel, which is also in between of Upper Dharamkot and Lower Dharamkot. So when it comes to hostels, we once lived in a hostel in Dharamkot, तो जो अच्छे हॉस्टल्स हैं, एक तो यही था, ऑल लाइफ इज़ अ नाइस हॉस्टल एज आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ. हम लोग जब रुके थे तो हम रुके थे यंग मोंक हॉस्टल में. और एक और जो बहुत फेमस हॉस्टल है यहाँ पे वो है EDM हॉस्टल, विच इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स लाइक नाइट पार्टीज़ एंड लाइक वेरी गुड. इट्स वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्टी हॉस्टल्स इन इंडिया. और निखिल यहाँ पे चलता जा रहा है. He's very tall and I think he has long legs because of that, and that makes him walk very fast. And yeah, I'm a shorty, so I walk slowly. We are very close now. बस यहाँ पे जितना मुझे याद है, there's this one cafe and then there's this one tattoo artist place, and बस वहीं से हम right होंगे. So yeah, the Mantra Tattoo Temple वो आ गया है और टपरी कैफ़े आ गया है. और टपरी कैफ़े से राइट लेके वी विल रीच आवर डेस्टिनेशन. We have reached the Three Tree Cafe.
So we've reached the Three Tree Cafe. It's a South Indian cafe and यहाँ के डोसास इतने क्रेजी होते हैं. I mean जब मैं बैंगलोर रहता था मैं काफ़ी डोसास खाए हैं, और उसके बाद जो मेरे को डोसास पसंद आया नॉर्थ इंडिया में वो यहाँ पे है. एंड दे इवन यूज़ द नंदनी घी जो प्रॉपर मतलब आई थिंक उसी में बनना चाहिए. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो पेट फ्रेंडली कैफ़े. यहाँ पे लाइक they've got a different menu for the dogs, like legit they've got like 4-5 items जो आप अपने डॉग के लिए ऑर्डर कर सकते हो if you've got one. And it's a quite an extensive menu. They tell you about all the allergens जो कि इनके खाने में हो सकते हैं, so that you can take a call. And हाँ, so right now we've ordered dosas. I've ordered dosa. And Vrinda, what have you ordered?
I've ordered a masala maji.
She's ordered a masala maji ke. It's a I think classic buttermilk.
And one puri plain dosa.
And she's also ordered one puri plain dosa. Yes. So anyway, if you guys come to the Dharamkot, this is one of the cafes that you must try.
How is it?
Very nice. Quite healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy, tasty.
Okay. So this is a very narrow road meaning stairs जो अपर धर्मकोट और लोअर धर्मकोट को कनेक्ट करती है. The view looks like this and the route looks like this. So अभी हम 3 Tree Cafe से निकले हैं अपर धर्मकोट से. Now we are heading towards लोअर धर्मकोट. Let's go.
As we were crossing the Bodhi Greens again, we had a small almond bite just to gear up more energy for the day.
We are heading back now to McLeodganj, so we'll be crossing all over again the lower part of Dharamkot, and then we will be reaching the main area from where we can get a taxi back to our car.
होते रहते हैं. So they can range from parties or spiritual workshops or yoga, anything and everything. तो people put the posters over here and वो देखते हैं कि अगर आज कोई event वगैरह यहाँ पे अगर कुछ हो रहा है.
वो अदर स्पेस कैफे है ना?
अदर स्पेस यहाँ थल्ले 400 रुपये होगा भाई वहाँ. हेलो हाँ जी. ऑटो ले लो भाई यार, नहीं जा रही गाड़ी, बहुत ट्रैफिक है. ऑटो ले लो. हाँ बहुत ट्रैफिक है.
Looks like we're in the Valley of the Flowers, but it's just Morgan's Cafe. And
Yeah, and
Morgan's
it's
Place.
beautiful.
Morgan's Place. And see, it's right here. One can see it over there. So anyway, even though ये कैफे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था बाहर से, and because काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा, so there's a lot of people inside and there's a waiting. So I guess we'll have to skip this one and then move on to the next one.
So now I think we'll be heading to McLeodganj, and it's already evening, and we've heard that there's a lot of traffic. We didn't even get a taxi or cab for the same, and they have suggested us कि हम एक auto ले लें. Auto will be easier. So now we'll just take an auto from the main complex, and then we'll go to McLeodganj, and from there we will head to the other space and then home.
Perfect.
So anyway, after eating a lot of food, we're heading back towards our car, and we decided that we'll walk to the cafe instead of taking a cab or something else. So this is the view right now. Since it's peak tourist season, there are a lot of people over here and a lot of cars as well. So you can see there are a lot of people over here. That is why I prefer Dharamkot over McLeodganj anyway. It's less crowded and the crowd is also very filtered over there. Anyway, जैसे जैसे शाम हो रही है वैसे वैसे crowd बढ़ी जा रहा है. So I think this is the best for some street side goods. Oh, so before we go back, I think ये हमारा last stop होएगा because this place has one of the best coffees So I think I'll grab a coffee from here and then go back.
So they have two menus. One is salads, burgers, and rolls, and the other one is flavors of Himachal. So that is more authentic menu which they have. And we've already received what Nikhil has ordered. What did you order?
It's not in this menu. They've got another menu as well.
Oh, they have another menu. So Nikhil is suggesting they have another menu. So he has ordered something from that menu and muesli. My healthy baby. So he has ordered muesli and looks very delicious. So I guess it's time for him to eat it now. So I'll give it back to him. How was it? Okay.
So this is the Dharamshala Skyway. If you're not coming here by a car or if you're not traveling by road, then this is also one way to reach the McLeodganj area and then go back to the Dharamshala area. Now that we are reaching Dharamshala, so I think we're just gonna enter now to the Kotwali Bazaar, which is the main road,
One of the main markets.
one of the main markets in Dharamshala.
So यहाँ से start है. One of the busiest roads of Dharamshala.
Yeah, it's one of the busiest roads and busiest markets in Dharamshala.
So that was our whole day. I hope you liked the vlog, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll try to make more vlogs like this and hopefully entertain you guys.